In this video, we will take a look at some useful mapping tools you can use to improve your ITICnxt experience. First, let's take a look at some basic controls. To zoom in and out, you can use the plus and minus buttons in the lower right corner of the screen, or you can use the scroll wheel on your mouse. ITICnxt contains multiple map views to help you locate and accurately map your excavation area. The default map view is the satellite map, which uses satellite imagery. The satellite map is the preferred view for creating excavation entities. The call center map displays geographic data from the local call center and will sometimes contain useful information not found in other map views. The Google view displays information from the Google Maps database. For now, let's return to the satellite map view. The suite of tools in the upper right corner of the screen can be very useful in assisting your mapping efforts. The Measure tool allows you to precisely measure distances on the map. The Identify tool can reveal additional information about various map features, such as address numbers or the address range of a particular stretch of road. Use the PlaceMark tool to drop place marks on the map for reference. This tool can be quite useful when used in conjunction with the Measure tool. If an overhead view isn't working for you, you can also use the Google Street View. This can be especially useful if you've already been to the worksite. Thanks for watching.